Hey Google, talk to Paragon Honda.
Hi, my name is Mariano here from Paragon Honda, and we are in the 2020 Honda HR-V Sport. We're going to go over today the Apple CarPlay feature. So it's super easy. Once you get in your vehicle, as you turn it on, you'll plug in your iPhone or your Android. It will charge your phone. Once the phone and the car communicate, you will see this screen that says you want to enable your Apple CarPlay. You'll say enable, always enable if it's your car. And you're going to get another great feature that's going to come up with a Honda Link. Honda Link is very important. God forbid you get to a car accident and an airbag deploys, the car will call Honda, let them know where you are to come rescue you and help you out. Now, once you plug in your cell phone, you plug it in, you'll have your navigation, you'll have your music player, you'll have your phone book, and everything could be done right from the steering wheel. So if you have Siri on your cell phone, you could do certain things like, hey, what's the weather like today?
It's currently cloudy and 46 degrees in New York.
And you could do that all from your steering wheel. So it's super easy, super convenient. You don't have to touch your phone. Keep your safety, and also avoid a ticket. And this is a 2020 Honda HR-V Sport, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto.